Wok set includes 14-inch wok, dome lid, 12-inch bamboo spatula, and recipe booklet. Made of 1 to 1/2 mm gauge carbon steel for fast, even heating, requires seasoning before use. Birchwood stay cool handles, one long and an opposite helper handle. Non-stick steel dome lid with knob helps keep in heat, moisture, and nutrients. Safe for use on either gas or electric cooktops, hand wash. Note: carbon steel woks are not made for average cooks that expect them to work as easily as a non-stick pan. They require seasoning when you buy it and special cleaning and oiling after every use. A properly seasoned wok will look very discolored and almost dirty. That's what they're supposed to look like after seasoning. Instead of going out for dinner, stay in and make a healthy tofu and vegetable stir-fry or Szechwan beef and broccoli stir-fry using this 4-piece wok set. Safe for use on either gas or electric cooktops, the flat-bottom wok should be hand-washed and dried thoroughly before storing. The collection comes gift-boxed, making it a nice choice for a housewarming or birthday present. Features: made of 1 to 1/2 mm gauge carbon steel for fast, even heating, requires seasoning before use. Birchwood stay cool handles, non-stick steel dome lid with knob, safe for use on either gas or electric cooktops. Carbon steel for strength and excellent heat distribution. Wide top and narrow bottom allow for frying with less oil. Hand wash. Product highlights: assist handles. Birchwood stay cool handles, one long and an opposite helper handle, stay cool to the touch for added comfort and convenience. Dome lid, non-stick steel dome lid with cool touch knob helps keep in heat, moisture, and nutrients. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing wok when you know how to use one. I bought this as my main wok to cook inside using an Iwatani 35FW butane portable stove, which is also awesome by the way, and it is just perfect. I've properly cleaned it with a scrubbing pad and soap, and then heated it using my butane stove, outside, ill smoke, until the whole thing became light blue. I made sure to cover the wooden handles with aluminum foil to prevent them from scorching. I let it cool a bit and then applied a thin coat of canola oil inside and outside and wiped it as thin as possible with a paper towel. I started the burner again and let the oil burn out, until it's no longer smoking. I wiped again, and then fried some scallions and fresh ginger until brown, and wiped it clean again with a paper towel. As others mentioned, the rivets of the handles did become a bit loose from the heat expansion, but there's an easy fix. All you need is to gently hammer them flat against an anvil or bench vise until it's tight again. Be careful not to hammer the wok, and be gentle because the rivets will flatten easily. I did that for both the handles and they are no longer giggling. I don't expect them to move again now that they've been tempered, but we'll see.